Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to combine two columns with space. Okay, here you will see I have created three columns: this serial number, employee name and designation. Okay, in employment you will see this is Ankit, Ross, Kang, Vishwas. Okay, then here you will see this designation. Now I want to combine with employee name and designation. Okay, in this column. So how to combine? If I use this formula, okay, you will see concatenate. Okay, and then select this one, comma, this one, enter. You will see this there is no space between rows and area, so I want that there should be a space. Okay, so how to do that? So you have to just equals to concatenate. Okay, then select this first cell, comma, now you have to inverted comma, space, inverted comma, comma, then other cell, bracket close. Now you will see there is a space between them. So like this you can combine two columns with space in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for